Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use your own character in the kit. In this case we're going to use a fab character, and it's based in the UA5 mannequin, so it will be really easy to change and it should be working like in 2 minutes, and you should be able to equip items, armor, use the inventory, etc. Everything should be working really smoothly. So yeah, let's get on it. So we're going to start by importing our character. I'm going to be using this survivor character that is free in the Fab store. I'll link it in the description of the video. So I already have it here, and I'm going to use the naked version so I can put some clothes on it. So the first step is going to be creating a new child blueprint. So we're going to be doing it in content main blueprints and retarget characters. Since we are on the Manny one, we're going to right click the Manny, create child blueprint. We're going to rename it, I don't know, survival, just to keep the convention. So after we open it, we're going to click on the Manny. We're going to open its mannequin, and we're going to Control A here on the bones, right click and copy selected bones sockets. So copy selected sockets. We're going to go back to the character, and here we're going to replace it with our survival. It's this one. Okay. And we're going to go back to our character and open their skeleton, and we're going to right click here on the root and paste sockets. This will be useful for setting up the weapons and the clothing. So if you can see here, we imported the weapon sockets, backpack, and we have a bunch here, so it will be much more difficult to do it manually one by one, so it's easier to just copy them all. Then we're going to go back to our main folder, blueprints and game instance. Here we're going to select character class override, and we're going to set our new character here. Compile, save all, and there we have it. Let's try it out. Okay, so this is the quickest and easiest way to have your own character. So you need a UA5 mannequin character, just make those changes. And of course there could be some issues, like if I go in first person, you can see the face of the character there. So this is easy to fix. We just go back to our character and look for the camera ref. Here let's disable the real-time viewport, and let's move it a little to the front. Okay, we still see some, but this is going to be just detailing of the character. It will depend on your character. So let's see if we can pick up a weapon and fire. So as you can see, the inventory is already working, etc. Okay, we still see the issue, but we can still take the camera forward. So if you have an issue with any socket, you can just simply change it. So for example, let's see, this fits pretty well, but if we pick up a helmet, for example, we can have this kind of issues. So we just simply go to our character, this one, to skeleton, and just play around with the position. So in this case, it's the helmet socket, if I'm not mistaken. So we just move it a little up and see if it worked. Yeah. So that's the same approach with every item in the game, basically in the kit. So this is it. I'm going to be making a new video for characters that are not UA5 mannequin, which are a little more complicated, but it's not a huge deal. And I hope you enjoy it and have a good time.